Hello everyone! Hope you all doing well. Welcome to my channel. Let's talk about our today's recipe. Today we are making kidney beans curry. Very delicious recipe but super easy way to cook this recipe. So let's start our recipe guys. Here we have all the ingredients. Super easy recipe and all ingredients are also budget friendly. Here let me remind you guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, also like and comment. Thanks! So let's start. First of all, take some cooking oil, let it warm. Add onions. Fry onions until translucent. Cooking is my passion. I enjoy cooking a lot. What's your hobby guys? Tell me in comments box. So our onions are frying here. Here we have boiled kidney beans. I soaked kidney beans overnight and boiled them. Now they are ready to cook. These are the ingredients that I'm using. It's time to add ginger garlic paste. Here add tomatoes puree. Here add green chilies. Here add cumin seeds powder, coriander seeds powder, black pepper powder. Now mix well and cook all spices well. Add salt according to your taste. Add red chili powder. Here add whipped yogurt. Cook well. Gravy is done. Now it's time to add boiled kidney beans. Mix well guys. Very yummy and tasty kidney beans curry. That is super easy to cook, but very much healthy. Add little water here. Mix well and cover it for 10 minutes. Here we are done guys. Super easy and so much tasty. Enjoy it with homemade loaves. So it's time to say goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. Thanks. So we'll meet with another exciting recipe. Till then, goodbye. Goodbye and take care.